Hi everybody. 2 points to note before we start. First, this video assumes you can read hiragana. The second is a memory tip. Researchers say you remember stuff better when you say it out loud, and we organized this video to make use of that little brain quirk. When you see a pause button with a question mark appear, pause the video and answer the question out loud. When the pause button has a talking face, again pause the video and repeat the example out loud. This will help you remember better. So here's 2 new patterns using mama and panashi. These are intermediate level patterns that come up in the N3 grammar section of the Japanese language proficiency test. Mama means without changing the state of, and it's often translated using as is or without change. Here's an example.
今のままではダメだ。変わらなければ。
Mama is a noun, so the grammar is pretty standard for when you put a noun, adjective, or verb in front of the noun. However, note the tenses. That's all the explanation we need, so let's do the practice examples.
"いつまでも若いままでいたい。
この冷蔵庫は野菜を新鮮なまま保存できます。魚って目を開けたままで寝るんだな。後で片付けるからそのままにしといて。
Panashi indicates that something continues or continued without stopping. It usually indicates a criticism, and you use it in situations like, "He left the light on again." Here's an example.
トイレの電気がつけっぱなしですよ。
So this grammar is pretty simple. Just attach panashi to the end of the pre-mas form of the verb. Now for the fun stuff. Let's do a few practice examples. Remember to say them out loud.
"服は脱ぎっぱなし。引き出しは開けっぱなし。牛乳を出しっぱなしにしたの誰?" "一日中立ちっぱなしの仕事はつらい。
その映画を見ている間、笑いっぱなしだった。
Okay, so this video looked at 2 patterns from the ebook Natural Japanese at a Glance N3 Patterns, available from Amazon and Apple Books. Most people like the Apple edition for iPads or iPhones because you can play all the sound files from inside the actual book. As always, please give us a like, and if you want to hear about new videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.